Snow falls softly on the heathered ground, a quiet world where only hearts make sound. I walk the path where ancient spirits roam, their whispered songs are calling me back home. And in the frost I feel your memory near, a silver glow that melts the chill of fear. At the edge of winter's light, where the dawn turns dark to white, I will find you in the hush of falling snow. Through the shadows cold and long, love will lead us brave and strong. At the edge of winter's light, I'll never let you go. The pine trees bow beneath the weight of dreams, their branches hum with ancient winter themes. I see your smile in every drifting spark, a flame that warms the corners of the dark. Your voice returns like echoes in the air, a promise soft, a vow beyond compare. At the edge of winter's light, where the dawn turns dark to white, I will find you in the hush of falling snow. Through the shadows cold and long, love will lead us brave and strong. At the edge of winter's light, I'll never let you go. If the wind should call my name, I'll follow through the storm and flame. For every star above the moor still shines the path to you once more. At the edge of winter's light, when the world grows still at night, I will hold you where the frozen rivers flow.